Hello, dear students. Hello again. Let's continue. And we have just said simple present tense. It is used to express facts, things which never change by time, through all the time when I say facts. But also it is used to express routines or to talk about routine actions, activities which are repeated from time to time, never stop by the time. It is not only that, but also use it to express habits. Habits, we have habits and traditions which we keep them forever, maybe, so never change by time. It is clear since I said simple present tense is used to express facts or routines or habits. That means this particular tense takes all the time. That's why some people say it is the master of the tenses. Why is it the master of tenses? Because it takes all the time. It isn't only for the past or only for future or present time, but it's used to express actions that take all the time or even states. Well, so here it is divided into also two parts or two forms, the rule A, and we will talk about the rule B, but here is the rule A. So in this rule A, we just find the subject. We have talked about it a lot, and we said subject is either noun or pronoun. Here are written in blue. These are pronouns, but also can be nouns, can be John, can be girl, can be cat, and so on. These we call them subject. That means subject is a noun or pronoun comes at the beginning of English sentence. Plus, we call them verb to be, but in the infinitive form. Is, am, or are. And it is well known for every student that he, she, it, go is. But we have the pronoun I, go is, are. We have we, you, they, we can use them with are. It's well known. It's well known, but this is the kind of revision for you also to remember. Plus, after that, we find noun. Noun is the word that we use to call or to name anything. Or we will find adjective, the words that use it to describe a noun. But also we can find an adverb of place. An adverb of place. So here is the form number A for the simple present tense. Here is the form number A. And when it comes to noun or adjective or adverb, we will find them in such examples that we will talk about them. So here, please go and read the passage, the houses in Sudan carefully, then find or underline the sentence of the simple present tense that go with this rule. But here are some examples for you in order to make it more clear. Here are some examples for you. Example number 1. The roofs, I mean the upper parts of the houses, the roofs, the top part of a room or a house, the roofs are, so we call the roof as the subject, because it is now we can say they. So the roofs are is a helping verb. That's it, because we have more than one roof. It's a plural. The roofs are sloping. The roofs are sloping. Sloping means going, it is not just horizontal way, but sloping. It's going this way in order to help the rain runs away. So the roofs are sloping, full stop. Sloping is an adjective. So we have defined the subject, the roofs. A helping verb are. Adjective is sloping, full stop. This sentence we call it present simple tense because it is a fact or even the habit for some people of Sudan. So we usually, people in Eastern and Southern Sudan, they keep doing this, or they keep building their houses, or the roofs of their houses is open forever for the rainy climate they have. Number 2, there is, there is a kitchen. So a kitchen is a noun. So we have subject, verb plus noun. Number 3, I is that one. It is a pronoun. It is a pronoun, and we have agreed that I is used with am only. The rule number 8. So I am in class. In class is adverbial expression, or let me say it is the adverb of place. It tells the people that where am I. So I am in class. Also it is the rule number A, or the first way that we use to talk about the simple present tense. Here is it. So let us agree that it is rule number 1. I just called it A, mark it A. That means we will turn the page to get number B. But before go to number B, please, dear students, here are 3 samples or examples for you of the passage. So go and read the passage carefully and get the additional examples of the rule number A of simple present tense, because that history or the passage of houses in Sudan all is written in the present simple tense, either the rule A or the rule B that we are going now to see. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Here is it. You have just finished A, and here is number B. That means we have 2 ways to express the simple present tense. And also I think it's going to be a revision for you, but I just did a lot of explanations in order to make it clear, because we are not here together to ask and answer your questions. We have the subject, which may be he, she, it. Unfortunately, here is it, not I. It, but that is I. He, she, it, not I. That can be the subject. Here we will have the infinitive verb. Infinitive verb means verb which is not the past tense form, neither the past participle form. No, it is only infinitive form. This infinitive form can take S or ES or IES on condition that the sentence begins with he, she, it, or the subject is he, she, it. So let me tell you one again, that it is it, not I. Plus object, plus adverb, usually the time, expression of the place, expression to tell me where and when or how something happens. That's it. So if the subject is I, we, you, they, oh, sorry for that. You say, not you, and that is it, and that is they. If the subject is I, we, you, they, in this case the verb don't mean any S or ES or IES. Because we say the center as a subject plus infinitive verb plus object, and then you can just find the adverb as the end. But let me tell you once again that the verb and object are not the basic parts of the sentence. But before we go ahead and have the examples and explain the different types of adverbs, let us No, when do we use es and s? Because s is used in general, but when do we use es or ies at the end of the verb if the subject is a he, she, it? Because s is general. If the subject is he, she, it, we use es. We put or add es at the end of the verb if that verb ends in s or double s or sh or ch or ow or th or x. In this case, we add what? We add es as the end. On condition that the subject, one of these, he, she, it. But if the subject is I, we use they, we don't need any addition. That's number one. Number two, if the subject is he, she, it, when do we add ies? We add ies if that verb ends in y and the letter before the last or before y is consonant. I think everyone knows that the letters of English language or alphabets are divided into vowel and consonant. So if that letter directly before y is consonant, we can change this y to I and add es. So it becomes ies. Examples for the y or verbs that end in y and before that y is a consonant, not vowel. Because if it is a vowel, this we can add s as it is. Like cry. Cry is the verb ends in y. But before y is a consonant letter. Here, spy is a consonant letter P. Fly is a consonant letter L. Verify is a consonant letter F. So these verbs ends in y, but before y is a consonant letter. In this case, we change that y into I and add es, so it becomes cries, spies, flies, verifies. Otherwise, all kinds of verbs we just add s as the end. But let me remember once again that if the subject is I, we, you, they, we don't need any addition. So I hope that one is quite clear. An object is not the basic part of the sentence. We can find it or not. It can be a noun or pronoun. Finally, we find the last part, which we call it